Today we are going to be unboxing my first ever Ipsy Glam Plus Glam Bag Plus. I have to get used to saying that. Hello and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty. Today we are going to be unboxing my first ever Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and this baby retails for $25 a month and it has a retail value of over $100. So it's pretty comparable to BoxyCharm, so I wanted to try it out, see if I try it out for a little 3 months or something, and if I love it, I'll keep it. If I don't, I won't. But this is my first box ever, and I'm so excited to start unboxing these for y'all. But before we get into the box, I just want to do my comment shout out of the day. And this is actually a three-way tie between Tara Brown Beauty, Crystal Ryan, and Ashley Carrion. So thank y'all for having your bells on and being the first people to comment on my video. If you want to be next video's comment shout out, all you gotta do is turn on that bell and be one of the first people to comment on my videos. But if you're interested to see what I got in my box, just continue watching. So the first item in my box I actually already have on my face, and this is the I Do Care Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask, and it retails for $23. It said to wait 20-30 minutes for it to dry so I can like peel it off, but it's a luminous, super satisfying peel off formula mask from the I Do Care K-Beauty line that revitalizes skin on all fronts and moisturizes, calms, exfoliates, and brightens. So those are mad claims, and I'm hoping it works because my skin needs a little love after California. This is how the component looks. I did already open it. And then here's a clip of me applying the mask. The next item in my box is the Illamasqua Anti-Matter Lipstick in Solar, and this retails for $27. This is the lipstick, and I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand. And this is how it looks on my hand. This doesn't really look like a shade I'd go for, but with a darker lip liner, I feel like it'd look really beautiful on my skin tone. But if you are a lighter skin tone, I don't think you need a lip liner with this lipstick. The next item in my bag is the Wander Beauty Wanderous Seascape eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $25. It has 6 shades, and I may just swatch these right now on my arm just to get a feel. Ooh, okay, that felt really soft. Okay, that's Champagne Harbor, Sea Salt, Golden Reef, Sand Dollar, Seafoam, and Coastal. So these shades look hella promising. Those shimmers look beautiful. I can't wait to use this on my eyes. This is a beautiful, beautiful palette. The next item in my bag is the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder, and this retails for $22. I've heard a lot of good things about this powder, so I'm hoping that it becomes one of my holy grails. That's a lot. And it feels like the Hourglass powder. It's really finely milled. And it looks like it has a little bit of glitter in it when I'm like going like this on my hands. I don't know, but I'm excited to try it because I have turned into a powder junkie. Not gonna lie, I have. And then the last item, I'm not gonna say really disappointed because it's not their fault. This is the Ofra Cosmetics times Madison Miller Squad palette. And this is a highlighter slash blush trio. and is broken AF. It retails for $35. And I love Ofra highlighters, so I'm hoping Ipsy can replace this one for me. I did contact them, and hopefully they do respond to me. They haven't, and it's been like 2 hours, but I do understand. I'll wait a little longer before messaging them again. I love Ofra highlighters, and I'm sad that that's the product that came broken, and this is my first Ipsy box ever. But if it didn't come broken, I would have loved this box. This is an amazing first experience, minus the broken product, and hopefully they do replace that for me. I don't know, but what can I say? The entire box actually retailed for $132, so that is a great value for this box. 1, I'm hoping they replace the item. 2, I'm really excited for the items. And 3, let's see how next month goes for me. Right now I'm just gonna peel this mask off. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are in the world, and I hope to see you soon.